Hello and thanks for checking out TheChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Looking at PCLN, CMG, NVDA, TSLA NFLX on the daily weekly time frame. So PCLN, a little toppy, but this is healthy consolidation as far as the bulls are concerned. It's low bear volume, not a whole lot going on during the holiday week, and you could even consider this a little bit of a bull flag at this point, just viewing from the low of the bounce and the healthy consolidation that we are seeing. So bears would like to see some increasing bear volume and a nice move down, perhaps into the 1730s, 1720s, to be a bit more convincing that our top is in for now. We got up to 1775 and then started slowing down, but again, we're still very much within striking distance of those levels. The middle Bollinger Band resistance is going to be in play this coming week. And the weekly time frame exponential resistances rejected the price at the high of this past week, so those will be in play as well to be keeping an eye on. And the bears would love to see a rejection from those levels and a drop back down to the mid-1600s. NVDA looking prime for an all-time high test this coming week. 218.52 is that level, and we closed at the high of the day on Friday, just a few dollars shy, a couple dollars shy from that point. Look for a volume spike. We've had declining volume steady over the past 2 weeks. A little volume spike and we should get that all-time high pretty quickly. The Bollinger Bands on the daily are contracting, so they will be in play as we are tightening up a bit. The weekly time frame staying above the exponential moving averages for months in an extremely strong uptrend. No slowdown in sight from that uptrend, and bulls are extremely happy with how we have been trading. Tesla on the daily time frame, very tight. We have a clear higher low, lower high pattern just the past 5 days of trading. I'm looking at support of 311 and 304.50 in terms of resistance, and it's actually 304.75. But in terms of resistance, I'm looking at 316.41, 318.23, and to break the longer term lower high pattern, we have to break 326.67. You see the volume is dropping off as we are finding our equilibrium after that volatility associated with the event that Tesla had. So volume dropping off, range shrinking, and a break should occur on Monday or Tuesday from those tight ranges. The weekly time frame still grinding up this 50-week moving average support. A loss of that level will increase the odds that this is a bear flag on the weekly, and a close above exponential resistances. And we'll look for further bounce and for the bulls to head to the mid $300 range. So it's make or break time on this weekly chart, and this coming week we should see a clear break as they get so tight we can't really trade much in between those levels much longer. Netflix on the daily time frame, pretty much sideways as well. This middle Bollinger Band is clearly giving the bulls trouble. We've rejected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 essentially times. We have closed just barely above it a couple times by pennies, but that doesn't count in my opinion. I can easily disregard that and need proof by the bulls. Upper wicks of profit taking when we are over it, and just very tight trading. Have to get over that level to see a bullish MACD cross. And if we can get a break of 197.70, that's a clear bull break on Netflix. That's a signal to get in for the bulls. The tech sector is doing really well. We have Amazon and Facebook hitting all-time highs. Google and Apple are right there. And Netflix, if we get that bull break of 197.70, we'll be looking back up towards that all-time high as well. Weekly chart is a bull flag of healthy consolidation, looking for another leg up. And if we break 17 or 197.70, we'll be on our way. CMG is trading tight the last few days with the holiday. Middle Bollinger Band support is still right there at 277.96, and we hit our top and we started pulling back. The bulls ran out of momentum at 291.51. Now the bulls are trying to form a higher low somewhere in the mid to low 270s to give the bulls another chance. This weekly chart, rejecting from exponential resistance after a short-term bounce, has to form a higher low and a higher high to try and reverse this trend and get a bull MACD cross on the weekly and see this oversold bounce get some continuation and further follow through. So that's where we stand as we head into next week. We will see you all tomorrow. Have a great Sunday night.